Welcome back to our channel, Nature Enthusiasts. Today, we're delving deep into the wild to uncover the most dangerous animal on the planet. Prepare to be amazed and perhaps a little bit scared as we unveil the true predator that commands respect in the animal kingdom. When we think of dangerous animals, images of lions, sharks, and venomous snakes may come to mind. But, what if I told you that the most dangerous animal doesn't fit the conventional image of a ferocious predator? Join us on this journey of discovery. Ladies and gentlemen, the most dangerous animal on the planet is none other than Homo sapiens. Yes, that's right, humans. Before you raise an eyebrow, let's delve into the reasons why humans have earned this notorious title. 1. Adaptation and intelligence. Humans are remarkable creatures, armed with the power of intelligence and adaptability. Our ability to harness and manipulate the environment has led to incredible technological advancements, altering the very landscapes we inhabit. 2. Environmental impact. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Our unchecked progress has resulted in environmental devastation, deforestation, pollution, and the rapid loss of biodiversity. This not only threatens countless other species but also destabilizes entire ecosystems. 3. Weapons and conflict. The development of advanced weaponry has given humans unparalleled destructive capabilities. Wars and conflicts have caused immeasurable suffering, leading to loss of life and lasting consequences on a global scale. Overconsumption and impact on resources. Our insatiable appetite for resources has led to overfishing, habitat destruction, and depletion of natural reserves. This greed-driven behavior endangers not only our survival but also the balance of life on Earth. Climate change. Perhaps the most pressing danger humans pose is the ongoing climate crisis. Our actions have triggered drastic changes in the Earth's climate, resulting in rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and the displacement of countless species. So, while the lion may be the king of the jungle and the great white shark the apex predator of the ocean, it's the collective impact of humans that truly sets us apart as the most dangerous animal on the planet. As we continue to explore and appreciate the wonders of the natural world, let's also remember the immense responsibility we hold to protect and preserve it. Only by recognizing our impact can we work towards a more harmonious coexistence with the incredible diversity of life on Earth. If you found this video thought-provoking, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more captivating content. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey, and until next time, stay curious and stay conscious.